Hey guys, today I've got a Frigidaire Gallery chest freezer, and I'll put the specifications and dimensions in the actual ad. But I want to show you that it is in fact on and working. So before I open it up, I'm going to show you real quick on my temperature gun here that right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see it's about 97 Fahrenheit on the side of the freezer. It's about 77 on the ground. Fairly accurate here. So we'll go ahead and lift this up. Shoot it right down in there for you. You see it's nice and cold. Kind of wherever you shoot it's a little different. But ice cold for you there. And pretty large size too. Don't have the key for it, but you could order one on Amazon. Otherwise, I mean, that's pretty much it. Plug it in, it works, and you're good to go. So go ahead and get this listed up. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.